While on Mars, humans will have to adapt to the variation of time between Earth and Mars. Future astronauts will have to leave behind their internal Earth clock and take on a new lifestyle using Mars time. The central issue with living on Mars lies in the difference of days and years. A year on Mars is approximately 687 Earth days, roughly 1.88 times a year on Earth. The variation between the two lengths of time leads to exaggerated seasons, which can prove to be dangerous to ill-prepared astronauts on Mars. The time must be kept properly in order to correctly predict the changes between each season. With the difference in a year, the length of a day varies greatly. A day on Mars consists of 24 hours, 39 minutes, and 35 seconds. Although 40 minutes might not seem like a great difference between an Earth day, the time adds up and turns into several days' difference. Astronauts' internal clock becomes disoriented, which can prove to be hazardous as the mission moves forward. Causes of the difference in time from Earth lies in Mars's distance from the Sun. Mars is about 1.5 times farther from the Sun than Earth, which results in a longer orbit. Mars's orbit is also more elliptical than Earth's and results in dramatic seasons on the planet. Along with a different orbit, Mars rotates at a different rate than Earth. The longer day on Earth changes when the Sun is over Mars at the meridian, which in turn changes when noon occurs. In order to solve the problem of timekeeping, a specialized sundial calibrated and placed to follow the path of the Sun as Mars rotates can be utilized. The shadow created by the sundial can accurately display the current time on the surface. Special clocks can also be built to tell the time based on the longer seasons, minutes, and hours of Mars. Along with the sundial and clock, calendars that record and keep track of the Martian year can also be used. The special calendars keep track of the seasons and Martian months as they pass by. Knowing when a new season is approaching is important to the safety of the astronauts on Mars. Systems on Mars will have both Earth and Mars time to keep track of both planets as time moves forward. For a successful mission on Mars, the ability of the mission systems to keep time is crucial. The systems present must be able to perform different functions based on the time they need to be performed. Schedules, heating and cooling, experiments, and energy conservation all depend on the system's ability to keep time.